Here we have in stock a ScanStone 3.6 metre folding bed tiller. So it's got the quick change blade system here with the pins and clips. Has a centre shear which overlaps in the middle. It's got the floating linkages. Transport locks with the safety bar. It's got soil intake discs. It's got the reduction gearboxes at either side. At the back of this machine you can put a 2-body, a 3-body or a 4-body bed former. The machine can also be fitted with vegetable hoods for planting directly behind the bed tiller, or rollers, cage rollers, spike rollers, packer rollers, that sort of thing. So it's a really versatile machine. See the linkages here and here. These hoods are adjustable, so you can put more or less pressure on there depending on the output that you want. It's got the cam type safety clutches on there. This also has a 280 centre gearbox. Plenty of space under the rotor for clearance. So all in all, this 2019 machine is in really good condition. And if you would like to know any more about it, then please don't hesitate to get in touch with us.